Nuair bhí mé ar an trein, bhuail mé le Bertar, agus bhí siad ag all cans agus
all go Trom.
All go Trom. No, bhí go cans each.
Gaeilge Éadrom.
Liam Murray comes into this eventually.
Trom agus
Éadrom. Agus bhí siad on a Granver agus. So we were talking about the tickets. Cévé de bhí na ticéidí agus dúirt mé, well, fuair mé é mar tá mach ag obair ann agus dúirt siad, tá cad a dhéanann sé. Dúirt mé, he feeds the team. One of them said, Jesus, I knew rugby was a privileged sport, but I didn't think they had young fellas up there like feeding the team. Bhí mé picturing like, you know, a young lad sitting on rugby players.
Spoon oak.
The squad are hungry. Bring in the boy.